morning, everyone. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to present my work and this prestigious conference and proceeding. And my topic is designing AI integrated curriculum in a way that it promotes inclusive and sustainable learning. So I will take you through along some introduction and the context, and I will walk you through how the AI enhance the education and how it support the sustainable development, how it overcome the TNE challenges, promote equity and the lifelong learning. So let me take you to the research aim and objective. The aim and objective of my research is basically to analyze how we can utilize the adaptive learning platform to personalize the education and enhance the accessibility for diverse learner. It will also aim at how we can promote equity and inclusivity, mostly focus on to foster the equity in curriculum design for TNE programs. And my research is also help to align the curriculum strategy with sustainable development goals. That is the goal 4 and 5, the quality and the gender equality in education. And also the aim is to develop a framework for ethical governance and professional development for effective use in education. So through my paper, my research, I will also explore the challenges and the AI tool, how we can overcome these challenges, and what kind of the tools, AI tools we are using to promote the inclusivity and sustainability in our curriculum. So what kind of the challenges we are facing in TNAs? Basically, when we're talking about and when focus about the TNAs, it's about the cultural and pedagogical, you can say, is a diversity. Cultural diversity mean it requires the students are from the different backgrounds and different perspective. They have the lack of the resources, so this AI help to tailor the contents and teaching method to suit the different local contexts in transnational education. Similarly, technology and access barriers another thing that hinder to access and provide the equitable and like you can say the uniformity across the global world. So technology disparities hinder equal access to educational resources and the digital tool across regions. Data privacy, you can know the ethical and regulatory issues are the major constant in implementing the AI and embedding the AI in our curriculum designs and development. And regulatory differences, that is also the issue and the challenge in TNE and deliver and making the TNE education is more accessible and equitable. Educational readiness, most of the staff and the students, they need some kind of the trainings, and AI pedagogy and digital literacy is very important, and it should be implemented in a way that our the educators and the staff effectively deliver the curricula. So when we're talking about the AI tools in education, uh, there are different tools that we are using AI to making our education inclusive and in terms of the sustainability also. For example, adaptive learning system. Adaptive learning system is support personalized educational contents to match the individual learner profiles and enhance engagement and the retention as well. Similarly, intelligent tutoring system is another system that simulate one-on-one instructions, and these system offer targeted feedback and the help the identify the student misconceptions. Another digital AI tools that we are using, that the learning analytic platforms. The learning analytic platform is basically analyze education data, so to improve the curriculum design and identify at risk students and so we can provide them the timely support. Language and accessibility tool, the national NLP and the machine translation and speech recognition therapy is very effective tool that enable multilingual content access and support learner with disability. For example, we are delivering the education across the TNE. So the major hinder that we can face and the challenges is that the language barrier, and they don't have the advanced digital skills. So these language and accessibility tools help to address that challenge and overcome that problem. Similarly, immersive learning technology is virtual reality is focused on augmented reality that offer the experiential learning in making education more interactive and inclusive. And now, moving forward, I want to share the frameworks and pedagogical strategies and that make the AI integration is more effective. So curriculum design frameworks are the backbones, we can say, of this approach, and I will explain how these framework uh, ensure the inclusivity and adaptability across a diverse context. Here you can see the different frameworks I'm going to present. That one is the backward design approach. These approach ensure that AI tools support the specific learning outcomes by starting with goals and designing the assessment accordingly. Secondly, when we talk about the universal design for learning, and this tool is basically promote the flexibility and you can say it's accessibility and leveraging the AI technologies like text to speech therapy and automated translation to support the diverse learner. The third one is the constructive alignment. This framework basically ensure the coherence between outcomes teaching and assessment and supported by AI analytical and feedback. So these framework provide a structured approach to embedding the AI in a curricula and ensuring that technological innovations and rather than disrupt like pedagogy integrity. If we talk about the pedagogical strategies, here you can see uh, AI enhances the several pedagogical strategies like that these strategies are very critical for modern education. So I want to highlight some strategies and how we can use these strategies to make our learning impactful and engaging for the learners and the students. So active learning support is another power tutoring system and simulation that enhance the learner problem solving and critical thinking skills. And if we talk about the blended learning enhancement, this is another strategy that normally the educators are using because it combines the face to face and online instructions with AI embedding adaptive content delivery and automated assessments. And the third is the student centered learning approach that support the personalized learning paths and real time feedback mechanism. So this kind of the mechanism and the real time feedback, it helps strengthen the student autonomy and engagement. A collaborative learning benefit, another like we can benefit from the collaborative learning facilitation, that is that AI moderated forum and peer assessment tools that also foster the global interactions and the collaborations. So now let's discuss about the ethics, case studies, and their impact. And I'm passionate about ensuring AI used responsibly and effectively. Ethical considerations when we're deploying the AI in education, that is obviously is a key of my research paper, and also you can say is a global topic that we are focusing on, and because we want to make the education is more inclusive and accessible for every learner. So. When we come to the ethical considerations, I want to stress that the data privacy is important, mitigating algorithm bias, transparency, and accountability, teacher professional development. So institution must implement these governance frameworks that safeguard student rights and ensure the accountability. Regular audit of AI system are necessary to detect and mitigate bias, while transparent models build trust among the educators and the learners. Professional development trainings like programs should equip teachers with the skills to critically evaluate AI tools and educate there for ethical practices. Without these strategies, without these measures, I think AI integration's risk is increasing the inequality and undermining the educational integrity. So next come to the some case studies from the global with some global example. So I will share how the UK, China, USA, and other countries are using the AI in their education. For example, from adaptive learning to immersive virtual reality experiences. Case studies illustrate the transforming potential of AI in education. For example, you can see the Open University example here. I mentioned Open University UK employs the adaptive learning platform to personalize the instruction and improve the student retention internationally. Similarly, if we're talking about China, China is using the Squirrel AI with the help of, you can say, is the intelligent tutoring system to provide a customized learning experience in the traditional classroom. Similarly, AI and VR in USA is integrated with the Dreamscape, learn to create immersive and active learning environment, and ethical and strategic AI use. This case study is a good example of ethical and strategic AI use to enhance the curriculum and support the diverse global learner effectively. So now let's look at the impact, recommendation, and the conclusion. Uh, when we talk, I already discussed about how the integration of the AI is helping in with the sustainable development goals. So I just want to uh, sum up, and I believe that these steps, like I believe that when we talking about responsible AI, this also help us to achieve our sustainable development goals, like supporting quality education. AI basically enhance the sustainable development goal 4 by fostering the personalized learning and broadening access to inclusive and quality education. Similarly, it also help to achieve the sustainable development goal 5 by reducing the gender disparity through the targeted intervention and inclusive content creations. Predictive analytic can also identify pattern of exclusion, while adaptive platforms accommodate diverse learning needs. So these contribution underscore AI role as a catalyst for achieving a global education goals and creating the sustainable, equitable, and learning environment for irrespective of the learner culture. So now let's come to the recommendation and conclusion. Uh, I strongly believe that these steps will make the integration more successful and sustainable. To maximize the AI benefit in education, institution must invest in infrastructure to ensure equitable access to AI technology in education across all the regions. So, collaborative approaches involving stakeholders across the borders can foster innovation and cultural responsiveness. Similarly, the continuous monitoring through learning analytic will support the curriculum improvement and accountability. In conclusion, AI offer the transformative potential for inclusive and sustainable education, but its success depends on pedagogical deployment, educators' readiness, and alignment with the pedagogical principle. By embracing these strategies, institutions can harness AI to like advance the global education goals and empower the learner worldwide. So thank you so much for your time and for giving me this opportunity so I can talk about how we can integrate the AI in our curriculum and how we can integrate and embed the AI in our education system and how can empower our learners without uh, without like any kind of the facing any kind of the challenges. Thank you so much.